long time, and it took me a good 35 minutes to put these on, so I just wanted to see how. Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a hot minute, like a really long minute actually, since I've posted any content. The girl's just been living life, you know. We're still in a pandemic, but I'm back again with new and improved content. So today, the video that I'm gonna do for you guys is this headband wig video. I bought this headband wig on Amazon because I have natural hair, and there are days I don't feel like combing my hair. I just want to put something on and get out. So yes, we're gonna do this video. Well, I'm gonna put this on. Fun fact, I'm very old now, and I've never in my entire adult life I've worn a wig. So this is the first time, and I wanted to start off with a headband wig to see, you know, if I could go into it. So let's get it started. So okay, so the hair comes in this package. You get two really nice headbands from the stocking cap, and this is the hair. It's really soft, like really soft. Yeah, so this is it. It's really soft. The only thing I don't like about it, I'm not a wig person, but the ends for me look a bit like it's trashy, if y'all can see it. But I'm gonna try it on and see how it goes. So I wash my hair. My hair isn't like these crazy plaits, so I'm going to go pull it out, drop some cornrows, and come back. So my hair is blown out as best as I can. I didn't get it bone straight, but that's besides the point. My ends are very knotty. It's always been my hair since I started going natural, and so it's very moisturized. I just use leave-in conditioner and water. Yeah, I have very thick hair, so. Alright, so I'm gonna drop some cane rolls in. Be back. Okay guys, so I did put the Amazon link in my description so you can actually see the wig. I actually loved it. It turned out really good, and this video was recorded from late last year in December, and I'm now just getting to post it, but the wig is super awesome. I loved it. I still have it, and I still throw it on to go anywhere that I want to go if I feel like I don't want to comb my hair. Even when I have plaits in my hair, I just throw the cap on, the wig cap, and just put the headband wig on, and I'm through the door. So I have a problem when I do my edges. So when I do, I think this is my right side. Yes. When I do the right side of my edges, I cannot, for the love of me, cannot do the left side of my edges. So y'all don't judge me for can't do edges. I'm not an edge pro. Alright, I think that's enough edge control for now. So we're gonna lay these bad boys, or I'm gonna try. And I guess, okay, the blocker coming on. I have a friend, she can lay edges to the gods. If Abby was here right now, Abby would definitely lay my edges for me. See what I'm talking about? I'm not good at laying my edges. Okay, so let's get to this part. Okay, so this is one piece by itself. Okay, I need a little bit more. Okay, I'm just gonna work with however it flows because see, I can't do the left side that good. It's not working. I can't curse him. Yeah, I normally curse when this happens because I can't do it properly. So I guess something here is interfering with this one. So let me just bring this back in like this. And then let me just take this and just by itself. Alright, so it's supposed to have this curly look. I'm gonna use this, I'm gonna put this band around it. Okay, so can you believe it's 2021 and I don't know how to slay my, well, it's ending 2021 and about to be 2022 and I have no idea as to how to slay my edges. Okay, so the headband is really cute. This is my fave out of both. So it is supposed to look curly. It looks puffy, but okay. So let us put some water in it. So ooh, okay. I think I see it coming along now. Okay, so I'm gonna put some water. Okay, I know when I had it in the package, it was, ooh, so I'm kind of getting the beauty of it now. You're supposed to wet it. Okay. Okay, so it's not so puffy as how it was. Guys, don't be surprised if you see me dripping in what, dripping in your wetness over here. I'm literally bathing the hair in water. I doubt that's what I'm supposed to do, but it's coming along. So okay, all right, so I like the look of it. It feels very soft. Let me see if I could, so you guys can see the back. so it's very soft. There's a lot of space for me. Well, not a lot of space, there's a little bit of space for me. I can't lock it any tighter, and my head is small. My head is small, so let me see something. Okay, so I'm not liking it like that, so let me see something. Let me see if I do like a half up, half down. Okay. Alright, so the hair is really nice. Like, I must give Amazon that. The hair is nice. But I don't know if it's working for me. Okay, so let's do a little salsa. Okay. Okay. So this is all new to me, so I don't know how to wear these things. But yeah. Okay, I'll be back. So I'm back. And I want to do a little something. I don't know if it's me, but I haven't worn lashes in a very long time. And it took me a good 35 minutes to put these on. So I just wanted to see how it would look. So this is a finished product. I actually like it. I like it on this side. I wish it had more hair though. It's a little bit thin, but it says on the box it was 150 density. But yeah, I have a mirror right here, so I'm looking at it, and so I think whenever I do wear it, this is how I'm gonna wear it, because this is what I like. And then let me see if I put it back here. Okay, so I'm not really a fan of it here. It feels weird to me. So let me see if I put it on this side, what will happen. Okay, let's see. All right, let me see here. Okay, so this side isn't, no, it's not working. It's not working at all. Let me put this on, but it's cute. I'm a rocket, it's cute. But thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and share, and you guys will be seeing lots and lots more of me. Thank you. Bye.